On December 29, 2022, domestic abuse survivor Julie Valadez served Chief Judge Jennifer Dorow with Julie's petition for a writ of mandamus. Judge Dorow is a named respondent. December 29th also marked 1 year since the Court of Appeals found unlawful family court's placement of Julie's children with their domestic abuser, Ricardo Valadez. However, currently, presiding Judge Ralph Ramirez refused to obey the appellate court, ignored the law protecting domestic abuse victims, and kept Julie's kids with their abuser. It has been a year, and Julie still is fighting to get her kids back, while Waukesha's corrupt judges and unregulated guardian ad litems vilify her name in bad faith. Julie has had 2 corrupt judges, Abrahamian and Ramirez, and 2 corrupt GALs, Molly Jasmer and Catherine DeLorenzo, on her 5-year divorce case. They have committed unlawful acts in favor of Julie's domestic abuser, Ricardo. These corrupt public officials have tried to unlawfully criminalize Julie for contempt for giving her son a lunch when he was in the hospital for his father's abuse, waving goodbye to her child, returning her child's backpack, and for failing to pay child support, even though she is the rightful custodian by law. Julie is an indigent party, while her domestic abuser allegedly earns over $120,000 per year. When Julie and her attorney informed Chief Judge Dorow about this corruption and requested the removal of the judges, Dorow refused. Dorow cited erroneous law in order to deny Julie relief from the judge's unjust persecution. Judge Dorow now seeks a seat on the state Supreme Court. If she succeeds, the most corrupt county court in the state of Wisconsin will never be held accountable for its discrimination against mothers on the basis of sex. On Chief Judge Dorow's watch, dozens of innocent moms in Waukesha have unlawfully suffered unconstitutional forced separation from their children. Some of these moms have died from broken heart disease, and others have been unjustly incarcerated or involuntarily committed based upon false allegations from GALs such as Molly Jasmer and Catherine DeLorenzo, and judges such as Abrahamian and Ramirez.
My role as being follow the rule of law, do not legislate from the bench, and honor the case law, the precedent, the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, all those things that make our legal system so very important and very good, to honor those things and to not prejudge cases based on the policies of the day. It really has to be about honoring that role. I like to say it this way: I want to stay in my lane. My lane as a judge is not policy making. If I want to be a policy maker, then I should be a legislator.